Hello everyone, welcome to my blog TechHub Blog. Today we are going to discuss Lambda function in Python. So let's first see what is Lambda functions. Lambda functions are anonymous functions, that is, they don't have any name, and we can use a Lambda keyword in Python to define an unnamed function. So basically Lambda function is an unnamed function in Python. Let's try to understand with some examples. So here what I have done, here we have declared one variable, that is add, and we have written the keyword lambda num plus 4, and we are calling this add function by calling its name, and we are passing 6, so it should print 10. Let's try to run this program. Let me just indent this one. There is some error at line 2, indentation error, unexpected indent. Okay, my bad. Let's try to run this way. Let's go to run without debugging. So here you can see the value 10 is printed here. The time we have sent in the num, we are passing 6. So this 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. So it is returning 10 value. Let's try to understand with some more examples. Let's do CLS to clear the screen. Now here we have a is the function lambda, and we have defined the here lambda function by using the keyword lambda. Now here will be two variables x and y, and they both will be multiplied and the result will be returned. So when we are calling this a function, we are passing x value as 4 and y value as 5. So 4 into 5 will be 20. So it will return 20 value. Let's run this program and see what is out. So here you can see 20 is returned on. Let's run this program. Here we have three variables x, y, and z. Here you can see in this lambda function we have three variables x, y, and z, and we are passing x value as 4, y value as 5, z value as 5, and they all the three are being added and the result will be returned. So 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9 plus 5, 14. So output would be 14. Let's try to run this program. So here you can see 14 value is returned on. Let's try one more example. So here we have declared the function lambda function with the name as minimum, and we are having two values x and y. Now x, it will print x if x is less than y, and if x is not less than y, it will print y. So that means we are printing the greater number out of x and y. So we are calling the minimum function. We are passing x value as 35 and y value as 74. So according to the lambda function, x will be printed if x is less than y. Okay, and else y. So here 35 is less than 74. So here 35 should be printed because x is less than y. That means 35 is less than 74. Here it should be smallest number is, not the greatest number. Let's run this program. So here you can see the smallest number is 35. As we have discussed, we have got the output 35. So I hope you have liked this video, and you have any doubts or questions, you can post in the comment section. Also, you can visit this TechHub blog Here you can find all other topics related to Python and other uh, categories. Also, please do like and subscribe my channel. This will give me motivation. Thank you.